Welcome 4th standard children. I am going to continue with part 3. So part 2nd you all have watched yesterday. Now today we are sending part 3. So part 3 you all watch, you all keep the text open in front of you, and as Shobha Miss is reading the lesson, you all have to follow the line after line. Now where did I reach? In the last video I told you that the swallow took the red gem and gave to that poor woman. His child was lying on bed, and she didn't have money to buy medicine. Then the second where did the swallow go? Took the blue gem and went to that man who was sitting in a bare room. Because of the cold he was not able to write, isn't it? The swallow took and gave the blue gem to that man. Then the third, the other eye gem, the swallow gave to that girl whose matches and all fell in the wet. So her father will scold her if she go home without any money. So matte gem nere kondete gave the girl, isn't it? Now the prince is blind now the swallow is not going to leave the prince. Swallow I am not going again because you are blind. Both eyes have gone. Any ende kannine kondu we will see what all happening there. Adana avada vannathu. So every day pinne last when he heard this pinne aduthadokke when he heard the prince was very sad. I have no gems left. Both the gems went. The red gem also have gone. But my clothes are made of gold. You must peck off a bit and give it to those poor children. Pinne clothes oka gold anadokke kashnam kashnayittu kottite ellarkku kodukane. Every day the swallow saw someone who needed help, and before long all the gold on the prince had been given away. He stood on top of his pillar looking dull and grey. Adana Shobha Miss parnathu. Ella gold covering poyapom ee prince engane undalude kaanane grey color. Adarku ishtappedula color. But the faces of the poor children were no longer white. Their cheeks were red and their thin arms and legs grew nice and round. പക്ഷെ ആൾക്കാരെ പട്ടിണിയും അതൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞുല്ലേ, ഇതൊക്കെ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും happy ആയി. Their cheeks were red, their thin arms and legs grew nice and round. They had no longer had to beg for bread. കണ്ടോ അവരൊക്കെ നന്നായി. Then the snow came. So പിന്നെ snow വന്നു. The poor little swallow got colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. At last he knew that his end had come. Kanda, his end had come. Avasanam etti, adayithu marikkan poga avasanam, end had come. Goodbye, dear prince, said the swallow. He whispered nana padukka parne as he fell at the statue's feet. Avada veenu poi. Statue's feet inde avada kaalinte avada prince inde kaalinte avada chattu veenu. Goodbye, replied the prince, and something broke inside him. It was his heart. Kanda appo endo prince inde ullinu potti, adendana heart. His heart broke. Nammal parle endengokke dukkam sambhovicha heart will break. Hridayam pottunna dukkamayirunnu this prince had. So his heart broke. The next day, adutha divasa, the mayor and the town councillor passed by the pillar and looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby our prince looked. A gold covering oka poyappa prince ellam oru grey color. How shabby. Shabby means what? Old and dirty. Virthiyattadu, old, palaye virthiyattadu. Our prince looks, they cried. He seems to have lost all his jewels, and someone has stolen his gold clothes also. Appo mayorum councillorum vicharichendana aarikyo moshtichu kondupoyadanennu gems and clothes okke nu. And look, there's a dead bird at his feet. Kanda our feet in avade a dead bird also. We can't have that here. It must be taken away at once. Appo mayor paraya ibidunnu ippam thane ibidunnu ada maatanam. We would better take the statue down too, and said another councillor. We'll put up a better one in its place. Who shall we put this time? Kanda aa place il vera statue vekkanu. Mine, of course, said the mayor. Appo mayor paraya endadu. They took down the prince statue and melted the lead to make the new one. കണ്ടാ ആ lead ഒക്കെ മെൽറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പുതിയത് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. But the workman found a broken heart inside that would not melt. കണ്ടാ അപ്പോൾ ആ സ്റ്റാച്ചുവിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഒരു ബ്രോക്കൺ ഹാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അത് മെൽറ്റ് ആവുന്നില്ല എന്ന്. So it was melted. So they threw it onto the dust heap where the little dead swallow was lying. ഡസ്റ്റ് ഹീപ്പ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ചപ്പും ചവറൊക്കെ ഇടുന്ന ആ കൂമ്പാരത്തിലേക്ക് അതങ്ങോട്ട് വലിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞ് ആ ഹാർട്ട്. അപ്പം ആ കൂമ്പാരത്തിൽ തന്നെ ആ ഡെഡ് സ്വാളോ അവിടെ കിടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം എന്തൊക്കെയപ്പോൾ അവിടെ കിടക്കുന്നത്? ദ ഡെഡ് സ്വാളോ ആൻഡ് ദ പ്രിൻസ് ഹാർട്ട്, ബ്രോക്കൺ ഹാർട്ട്. That night God told his angels, bring me the two most precious things in this town. Now children, the angels telling, the God is telling the angels, angelsനോട് എന്താ, മാലാഖമാരോട് എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? bring those two precious things. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം എന്താണ് ആ two precious things? that broken heart and the dead swallow. കണ്ടോ, അവർ അത്രയും നല്ല പ്രവൃത്തികളാണ് ചെയ്തത് അല്ലേ? good deeds they have done. They brought him the broken heart and the dead swallow, and God said, you are right, this little bird shall always sing in my garden of paradise, and the happy prince shall praise my name forever. കണ്ടോ, അപ്പോൾ അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും ഹെവനിലെത്തി, സ്വർഗത്തിലേക്ക് എത്തി. the dead bird and the happy prince. കണ്ടോ, അതാണ്. അപ്പം നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും നല്ല പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്താൽ നമ്മൾ സ്വർഗത്തിലെത്തും, അതാ പറയുന്നത്. ചീത്ത പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്താൽ നമ്മൾ നരകത്തിലെത്തും, ഹെൽ നരകത്തിലേക്ക് എത്തും എന്നാ പറയാറില്ലേ? അപ്പം ദ ഹാപ്പി പ്രിൻസ് ആൻഡ് ദ സ്വാളോ ഹാസ് ഡൺ ഗുഡ് ഡീഡ്സ് അല്ലെ, നല്ല പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്തതിനെ കൊണ്ട് അവർ നേരെ ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ അടുത്തെത്തി. അതാണ് ഈ ലെസൺ പറയുന്നത്. Now next children, on page that is page 24 you can see, read and understand. Your teacher will read out section 1. The prince was happy because he had everything. Why the prince was called the happy prince? Because he had everything. That's correct. The statue was made of gold and covered in lead. Gold covered in lead ആണോ? Lead covered in gold. Lead covered in gold ആണ് ശരി, not gold covered in lead. So that is wrong. The statue was sad. Yes, correct. Why the statue was sad? To see all the things happening there അല്ലേ? അയാളെ ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ കഷ്ടപ്പെടുമ്പം the statue also was sad. That's correct. The swallow did not want to go to a warmer country. Swallow പോകാൻ ഇഷ്ടമില്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണോ? അല്ല, because he stood there to help the prince to do the good deeds. അതല്ലേ swallow വൈകിയത്? So that's wrong. The swallow was late in leaving for the warm country. അല്ലേ, swallow ശരിക്കും ലേറ്റ് ആയി പോയി. Helping the prince, he became late. Last, he died of cold. So that is correct. Now next section 1 also talk in class about the people the swallow had helped. Whom did he help? What did he do for them? ആരൊക്കെയാണ് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തത്? the woman's child, പിന്നെ the young man, the girl, പിന്നെ those boys sitting under the bridge അല്ലേ, അങ്ങനെ കുറേ പേരെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തു. What did he do for them? Took the red gem, both the blue gems and all the gold covering ഒക്കെയാണ് അവർക്ക് കൊടുത്തത്. പിന്നെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കുക, that and all we have to do in class. Now we have to set up accordingly. കണ്ടോ, now this I'll send a pic of that. ഏതൊക്കെ accordingly, according to the story you have to arrange the sentences. That much children for this video. You all read the lesson and I'll send the pic of this page. You all copy down and learn. Thank you children.